In this video, I will show you how to lock Google Sheet. For this, first open your Google Sheets document where you want to lock cells or the entire sheet. Next, highlight the cells, columns or rows you want to lock, and if you want to lock the entire sheet, you can skip the selection and move on to locking the sheet. Now what you have to do is click on Data in the top menu. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Protect Sheets and Ranges. A right-hand sidebar will appear under Protect Sheets and Ranges, and you will see two options. If you highlighted a specific range, it will appear automatically. Otherwise, you can manually define a range. And the second option is to protect the whole sheet. For this, you can click on the Sheet tab in the sidebar and select the sheet from the drop-down. Next, click on Set Permissions. You will now have the option to define who can edit the range or the sheet. Now you can allow only yourself or specific collaborators to edit the selected range or sheet. And once you have configured the permissions, click on Done. Now only the individuals you have granted access to will be able to make changes to the protected ranges or sheets.